Well, hey guys, in today's video, we're going to check out this battery on my wife's vehicle. As you can see, it is really corroded. I have knocked off a lot of the corrosion. We were trying to clean it and get everything prepped and ready, but I want to show you guys one of the easiest ways that you can clean this. So let's dive in. So guys, here's another view of it. You can just see that there is corrosion just all over this. I've knocked some off, but we're going to show you how you can easily clean this. All you're going to need is a little bit of baking soda. Mix it with a little bit of water. As you see, I just did this on a little spoon here. Sorry for the weird camera angle there, but just put a little bit of that onto the corrosion and you can just see it begin foaming up and knocking off a lot of that corrosion all over the battery. I put it up a little bit more baking soda on there just to go ahead and get it going. Then, like I said, you can begin seeing all of this just melting away, and also the chemical reactions go ahead and taking place with all the color changes and everything. If you need to put a little bit more on there, you can, and then you'll see the corrosion starting to go away. And then once you're done with that, all you have to do is pour a little bit of water on here, and it will begin taking off all of that corrosion. Again, it is super easy to use, it's super easy to do, and pretty safe as well. And once it is dried off, it will look really nice and clean like this. Super easy to use and super easy to do DIY. And so I would recommend you wiping this down the best you can. You want to make sure you get it as clean as possible. But again, this is something anyone can do and save you some money. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.